This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics, the IE version and recent Windows updates because compatibility matters. Once done, check file associations so PDF, docx, or zip point to the correct handler. This avoids IE handing off incorrectly. Next, enable file downloads in security settings and turn off third-party download managers briefly, since they often intercept files. Make sure to run IE as administrator when adjusting settings. That ensures permission changes apply. These steps open the path for deeper trouble. Once the basics are set, you dig into policies and registry because enterprise rules often block downloads. You should inspect group policy entries like do not save encrypted pages to disk and file download permissions. Make changes and force gpupdate if needed. Then, carefully edit the registry keys that control download directory and file download for relevant IE zones. Export keys first. Also reset security zones, clear temporary internet files, and disable extensions one by one to identify conflicts. To finish, test with a clean user profile or an in-private window so cache settings don't mask the issue. This shows whether the fix works. Then, re-enable antivirus and browser extensions one at a time and retry downloads, making note of error messages and timestamps to trace culprits. If a registry edit caused problems, restore from your backup immediately. One key troubleshooting tip: if files still won't open, capture a process monitor trace to see what blocks the file. This reveals locks and access denials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.